What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are working on the FC again because we're going to be dealing with some cooling problems. So we're going to upgrade the system. I got some new parts ready to go, and basically I'm doing this because the car's been overheating for the last couple of drives we've been on. Been overheating on the toge, been overheating in the streets. There is a crack in the radiator, so we're going to be upgrading the radiator. Also, big shout out to Vodak because without him, I feel like a lot of my FC wouldn't be the way it is. So if anybody ever needs help with their RX-7, he's big in the community. You guys will probably run into him and go get some help. So as you guys can see, I have my setup going. We're gonna start by draining the radiator and the motor of all the coolant possible. Alright guys, once coolant is drained, we can go ahead and work on upper and lower radiator hoses. Alright guys, the radiator is out. So we're going to take this over to a friend of mine so that we can rip the side brackets off of this, and then we can mount those onto the Koyo.
So we got the brackets, the mounting brackets taken off of the old radiator, and now we just have to make sure they line up with these bolts and get it mounted. We're gonna have to straighten it out, but once we get that, maybe drill some holes and we should be good.
Approximately 10 hours later.
There's going to be one other small issue is mounting the fan shroud. Is 10mm bolts that you have that used to hold it in. So this one here goes up here around this side. Back here on the back side, Ooh, good thing you did that, Alex.
Good thing I did what?
Those are soft.
Oh.
Feel it. Have we ever changed the O-rings here?
No. You got stuck in the battery.
Oi. But yeah, you can feel the hose here. It feels soft. Oh, yep. It's getting saturated from the O-ring, or from the leaking oil pedestal.
Good thing I bought those. I bought those so long ago, I just never put them in.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, low-key just dripping out, bro. And we're back. Yo, what's up guys? If you guys made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you very much for watching. I want to say that the FC is running amazing. Big shout out to Michael for helping me with my car, and honestly guys, if anyone needs help on the RX-7s or anything rotary, he is the man to go to. And he deserves all the love and he deserves all the praise from our community, because without him, my RX-7 wouldn't be anywhere near where it is right now. So I just want to give Michael all the love and just thank him. And so yeah, the RX-7's running great. Still so many more things to do. I got a whole bunch of parts behind me sitting and waiting, and videos will come on those very soon. And speaking of videos, 75% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So out of all the viewers that I'm getting, not many are subscribed. So I just want to give a reminder out there, if you guys really do enjoy watching the videos or you get something out of the videos, please hit the subscribe button, leave a like. It really helps me out. And I'm not a big YouTuber by any means, but the only thing I ever strive for is progress. So if you guys want to help me out and see more of this content, please go ahead and do that. But beyond all that, you know, I'm just really grateful to have this car, grateful to make videos on it and have you guys watch, and all the people I've met, you know, from owning this car. And honestly, like, I just want to say that, like, it's a dream come true, and there's only more to come. So if you guys want to stick around, more videos are going to be dropping. Hopefully you guys get to see more of my inside life. If you guys want to see, I don't know, anything besides car content, always leave a comment. They really help me out knowing that you guys, knowing what you guys want to see. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Late night, I like chasing bags in the late night. You want me to tell you that you are mine? That all these new girls don't feel right. 80 proof talking, now you all mine. No, you don't play both sides, and I don't wanna waste your time, but I'm tryna see if you're a rider. Sick of all the distance, and I'm tryna be beside you. Baby, I'm too fucked up. I don't know what I'm saying, but I know I'm being honest. I know you be sprung up. I know you want love, but I told you wait. Please don't run away, cause I don't wanna rush into this thing. I'll put these hoes away for a rainy day, but first I gotta know if you gon' stay. Come take over my brain, cause I don't wanna think about this fucking ice cold world that we in. Heart full of all this hate, fuck they lemonade. I like sipping 80 proof straight with no chase. I like sipping 80 proof, pull that shit up till I black out, then I tell the truth. For these runners and these stunners, I just wanna know ya. One and done 'em, but I need someone to get up closer. This shit new to me, no. I don't wanna lose my control. I swear that you found me at my lowest. When I'm sober, I don't ever show it. Told you wait, please don't run away, cause I don't wanna rush into this thing. I'll put these hoes away for a rainy day, but first I gotta know if you gon' stay. Come take over my brain, cause I don't wanna think about this fucking ice cold world that we in. Heart full of all this hate, fuck they lemonade. I like sipping 80 proof straight with no chase. Baby, I'm too fucked up. I don't know what I'm saying, but I know I'm being honest. I know you be sprung up. I know you want love, but I told you wait. Please don't run away, cause I don't wanna rush into this thing. I'll put these hoes away for a rainy day, but first I gotta know if you gon' stay.